Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn about the best practices of page speed optimization, tools that help audit page speed, and the benefits of improving your website page speed. Page speed optimization is the practice of improving the loading speed of a web page. Several factors can do this. Here are the most common ones. Minifying your code. It involves removing unnecessary characters from your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. This can make your code smaller and faster to load. Compressing your images. This involves reducing the file size of your images without sacrificing quality. This can also make your images load faster. Using a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN is a network of servers that deliver your website's content from the server that is closest to the user. This can help improve loading speed for users located far away from your website's server. Enabling browser caching. Browser caching allows your browser to store copies of the files it has already downloaded. This means the browser will not have to download those files again the next time you visit your website, which can improve loading speed. Avoiding render blocking resources. Render blocking resources prevent the browser from rendering the page until they have finished loading. This can slow down the loading speed of your page. You can avoid render blocking resources by minifying your code, compressing your images, and using a CDN. There are several tools that you can use to help you optimize your page speed, such as Page Speed Insights. This is a free tool from Google that can be used to analyze your website's performance and provide suggestions for improvement. GTmetrix. This paid tool offers a more detailed analysis of your website's performance than Page Speed Insights. Web Page Test. This is another paid tool that comprehensively analyzes your website's performance. In addition to improving the page speed of your website and providing a better user experience for your visitors, here are some other benefits of page speed optimization. Increase conversion rates. Studies have shown that a 1-second delay in page load time can lead to a 7% decrease in conversions. This means you can potentially increase your sales or leads by improving your page speed. Improve SEO rankings. Google has confirmed that page speed is a ranking factor in their search algorithm. This means improving your page speed can improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Better customer satisfaction. Users are likelier to have a positive experience with a website that loads quickly. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Overall, page speed optimization is a valuable investment for any website owner. By following the tips above, you can improve your page speed and reap the many benefits that come with it. If you want to learn more, subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more videos. I hope this video was helpful. See you around.